Hi everybody, I'm really excited. I'm finally getting back in the kitchen. The wife's been bugging me, but I've been inspired by Jerry at Happy Place Diaries with his culinary videos, and especially he shared with me how to make lasagna. So I'm very excited to try Jerry's family recipe for making lasagna here at our home with a slight twist. Got to put my own twist on things. So stay tuned. We're going to make some lasagna. Watch that intro. Okay, the first step in making any good food, especially lasagna, is you got to have great ingredients, and you also have to have that one key ingredient that a lot of things are missing when you go out to eat, and that is you got to make it with love. So this meal is going to be made with tons of love. Hopefully, Shelly will come out here and try this. She's not a big lasagna fan, but we'll see. Maybe because of once she sees all the hard work and energy I've put into this, that she'll at least give it a try for my sake. So first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have all the proper utensils. Now I'm wearing an apron. This actually came from Disney, and you do that to keep your clothes protected. You got to have a hat on. Well, that's for your benefit, so you don't get the glare off my forehead. Next, you've got to have a good towel, just in case you need to wipe up a mess. Oven mitts, just to be on the safe side. Also, you're going to need some utensils. This is a very simple recipe. Again, thanks to Jerry at Happy Place Diaries for sharing the recipe. So we're only going to need these two things. We're going to be able to make up all the lasagna without making the big mess that a lot of traditional lasagna recipes make. And we're just going to use these two simple ingredients. So, how do you make this lasagna? I'm going to move the camera over so we can actually see the prep table. I've actually got some of the prep work done a little bit ahead of time. So I want to go ahead and share that with you guys here. You carefully open the box. It can be upside down or right side up. It really doesn't matter. It will not affect the taste at all. Then you set it down gently. If necessary, you may need to set it on a cloth. That way it's higher up to you, and it's also not making the table cold. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to leave this film on, and we're going to cook this in the microwave. And I'll go ahead and pan up here back to the microwave. There we go. So we're going to gently, at this point in time, we do not need the oven mitts, but if you just to be on the safe side, if you want to use the oven mitt, it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use the oven mitt because safety first. And I'll take this. Again, also using this in case I make a mess. We're going to carefully open the microwave. As you can see, it's now open. We'll place the lasagna inside in the center. Again, using my rag, safety first. 4 minutes is what I recommend. So for my microwave, I can just push the number 4 and it'll start. So 4 minutes is going to go by really fast for you guys. Before you know it, we're going to be eating some lasagna, or at least going to the next step of the recipe. So stay tuned for that. Okay, it's about 4 minutes almost, getting ready to go, so we got to get ready. Again, safety precautions. This is going to be hot. If necessary, you can use a well-folded dishcloth in addition to your oven mitt, or there it is, almost done, or 2 oven mitts. Let's be super safe. So we're going to take this out. Oh man, look at that. We're not done yet. So this next step is very critical. You can really hurt yourself with that. Pan down on this. We need to remove the film carefully. it will steam up, so you got to be careful. Look at that. So we're going to remove the film all the way. Set that right there. Now we'll place this back into the magic microwave oven. Bring the camera back. We're going to cook this now for 2.5 minutes. So 2.5 minutes, we're going to have Jerry's world famous lasagna with a Our Epic RV Adventure twist. Hang on. Almost there, folks. Again, glove up for safety. I can smell the aroma. It's delicious. It just is. I cannot wait. Jerry, thank you again so much for this recipe. All right, here we go, folks. Woo! My glasses fogged up. That's how good this is. Look at that. Is that not awesome? We're not done yet, though. We're not done yet. So let's roll back down here. This is the Happy Place Diaries world famous family recipe lasagna. Now it's time for the Our Epic RV Adventure twist. And here we go. You ready for this? Can't recreate this, so I'm only going to do one, so please follow along. The Sargento 4-cheese Mexican blend. So what do we have here now? Well, obviously, it's Mexican lasagna. So now, what good video isn't complete without two things? We need needless drone footage, and obviously we're going to have to do the taste test. So let's go to that needless drone footage right now. Okay, hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, let's give it a taste. Again, it's very hot. It's not a difficult meal to make. Let's give it a try here. Look at that. Look at all that cheese. Isn't that amazing? That's great. I love it. Again, I really appreciate Jerry at Happy Place Diaries for sharing this recipe with me. If you haven't already watched his video, we've linked it a couple times in this video. It's also in the description. Go check out his video. See how the master makes the lasagna. This is just a poor copy of his lasagna. So again, thanks for watching this video. And if you like it and you want to see more stuff from us like this, thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, share it out with your friends who might need a good laugh as well and during these times. If you haven't already subscribed to us, please consider hitting that subscribe button, completely free. We'd really be honored if you just joined us on our adventure. Right next to that is the notification bell. Hit that bell, make sure you select all so you'll know whenever we upload a new video or we go live. So thanks again. Remember, subscribe, like, share, comment, notification. Stay safe. We love you. God bless. We hope to see you down the road.